The Light Nights Festival organisers, they've approached us and asked us to do a demonstration of our involvement with the Terra Cotta warriors and the reproduction of the head. For us, what excites us about that, it's an opportunity to demonstrate to the public the process of 3D scanning and how that fits and relates to 3D printing, and how that relates to conservation, heritage and new technologies of digital replication. So for us, we'll be having demonstrating the 3D scanning on the night. We'll have 3D printers there, and we will have on show that night the Terra Cotta warriors and the head that we've reproduced here in conservation and within the Design Block studios. If you want to come and see a demonstration in 3D scanning, 3D printing, and if you want to take a look at the 3D Terra Cotta warriors, we'll be at Light Nights 2017.